Originally, I was interested in SomaSoul because for my practice, I'm a licensed independent clinical social worker. I was feeling compassion fatigue. I knew that from my own personal journey that moving into my body felt more healing than just traditional talk therapy. And I wanted to be able to help my clients on a deeper level.
What attracted me to SomaSoul was the incorporation of movement as well as talk therapy, as well as healing arts therapy like journaling and drawing, bringing it all together and focusing on really what's happening in the body and then using the body to heal.
I think for me, I think the movement was really important. The movement practice that we did on the floor a few times, because I am a yoga teacher, but I found that doing those really slow movements, really getting into the fascial tissue, really was helpful for me.
So I'm completing the first year, and which I never thought I could do because I have a chronic illness. This is a place that you can rest and still work very hard, very deeply. Let's put it that way. I don't even want to use the word hard. Let's take hard out. And in a supportive, caring, safe environment where you can explore places that you didn't even know existed, but were really limiting you.
I was blown away by what came out of me through a lot of the imagery work, using more of the right brain. I just saw more of my truth. And I actually did bring some of the work back to my clients and then witnessed their opening. And these are clients I've worked with for about 7, 8 years, and getting first breakthroughs by just looking at an image through crayons and paper and doing a little bit of movement, meditation, and I was deeply moved as they were.
I feel that I am whole. I am whole, and I feel differently about participating in my life.
I just feel more grounded and more connected than I have ever to what I'm meant to be doing.